Hi guys, welcome back to Betty's World Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chocolate Swiss roll. Okay, so let's start. For the ingredients we need eggs, flour, cocoa powder, sugar, pinch of salt, milk and baking powder. First we are going to separate the eggs in two separate bowls, the whites and the egg yolks. Add a pinch of salt to the egg whites and whisk until foamy and hard. Add sugar to the egg yolks, beat it until foamy and add your milk. Add baking powder to your flour along with cocoa powder and start adding it to the egg yolk mixture. Mix it gently with a spatula and start adding your egg whites gradually. Just a nice little tip so your parchment paper doesn't move around while you pour your mixture. Place a few dots of butter underneath so it sticks to the tray. Now spread your mixture evenly and bake it in a preheated oven for 17 minutes on 170 degrees. Get a clean kitchen cloth, spread flour on top as we are going to roll our cake with this. Check if your cake has been cooked. Place the cloth on top of the cake and gently start rolling it. Be careful as it still might be hot. Leave it to cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's make our cream while we wait. On top of boiling water, melt your chocolate with a teaspoon of butter. Whisk double cream along with 2 tablespoons of icing sugar until nice and creamy. Wait until both become about the same temperature, then gently mix together. Add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar to your mascarpone and a drop of vanilla extract. Beat it until it becomes creamy and spreadable. Once our cake has come to a nice temperature, roll it out and gently take the parchment paper off. Spread your mascarpone cream on it first, then add your chocolate cream and roll it. Spread some chocolate cream on it from the outside as well and decorate it with whatever fruit your heart desires. I decorated it with strawberries and chocolate sprinkles.
Kicsit megdíszítettük eperrel.
For the finishing touch, I added melted chocolate on top. Here is the final result of our beautiful Swiss roll, and now all you have to do is enjoy. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications on so you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.